My name is Menno Oppermann and I'm Group IT Manager for Riwal. Riwal specializes in aerial work platforms. Our core business is working at height, safely and efficiently. We have about 13,000 aerial work platforms. We are present in 17 different countries. And so right now we're in the middle of a transition. With cloud applications, we can see that we are able to spend far more time on actually helping the business with their problems than keeping applications up and running. We've deployed Google Apps and Salesforce, and we still have an on-premise ERP system, and we can see there a big difference. We are becoming far more agile and effective with the cloud applications and helping the business a lot better. Right now we are securing Google Apps and Salesforce with Adallom, and next we'll be looking to onboard SuccessFactors. Adallom is really great at giving us insights into risk and usage. With cloud applications, you have new risks. People are able to share and collaborate with each other far easier, internally and externally. You don't want to prevent that, you want to empower that, but you do want to manage the risks. And with Adallom, we get great insights in those risks and we are able to manage them far better. The Adallom Risk Assessment Report was a real eye-opener for me. It showed us where we had to focus. Sometimes with security, you don't know exactly where to start, but with the Adallom report, it gave us a great way to prioritize the risks. So this is my third Google Apps implementation, and I did 2 previous Google Apps implementations at different countries. It's always a hard sell because people are worried about security. I wish I'd had Adallom because that would have helped me sell the story a lot better. What I really like about Adallom is that it looks at several cloud applications, and you want to have information about usage on all of them at the same time. And with combined information, it's far more powerful in fighting risks. And that's different than other applications which just focus on a single cloud application. So I really liked the highlighted old browser usage report which Adlon generated. We saw actually that we had quite a lot of risks in that. Everybody's using browsers on your phone, on your PC, on your laptop or whatever. So there's a lot of browser users, and with the information we could actually take actions to solve that and address the problem of old browsers. What we really also like is the out-of-the-box reports. One of them is concerning sensitive data on, for instance, usage of passwords or credit cards in certain files, which are then being shared with the outside. And with Adlom, you can actually see that certain people are sharing that information, and we can say, hey, are you aware of that? Do you know you're sharing that information, and take actions? What we also really liked is the visibility on sharing of data with personal accounts. So basically, if you have a corporate account and you share it with your personal account, Adlom will show if that happens a lot or not. Maybe if people are leaving, they want to upload all their data to their personal account, and then when they close the company account, they still have all that data outside of the company, so maybe you don't want that. The deployment of Adallom in our domain was really easy. Usually I have my IT team to help me with those kind of things, but in this case I could do it myself, and it was totally painless. The really good thing about adapting SaaS applications is that you are really empowering the user. The user is able to do far many more things themselves, and that's a really good thing because they're able to work more effectively and more efficiently, collaborate better with each other within the company and outside of the company. But the problem with that is there's also risk associated with that. With empowerment to the users, you're also giving them more potential to do damage to your company. Knowingly or unknowingly, and that's the good thing about Adlom because it helps you mitigate those risks and helps you to see where you are running into security problems or not, and it'll enable you to keep this empowerment without having unnecessary risks, and I think that's the real power of Adlom.